to another video. So today I am taking you guys along with me to the range where we're gonna have some fun today. I'm gonna be vlogging that so you can see what I'm doing today on this beautiful Sunday. Don't forget to like and share, subscribe, and stay tuned for the video, okay? Okay guys, I'm here. So this is the entrance to go in the building. As I told you earlier, I'm going to the range, going to be doing some shooting. Look at that, guys. Yep. All right, stay tuned. I'm going inside, see what's going on. Okay guys, I'm here. Look at that, beautiful. So I'm gonna be busting one of those. All right, it's beautiful. Yeah. Stay tuned. We're ready, guys. We are ready. I am ready to go. Look at that.
We going to get this.
Easy sniper.
We going to get this.
My turn, guys.
I need a booty, I need a brave, I need a rocket ship with a rocket go way out of space. Yes, it's me on top of the tree. I don't eat fruit without no seeds. I ain't never break no code. Shorty ain't never start no beef. I know the chef, I know.
We going to get
Take
there.
it to the. Take it to the moon. Rocket ship, rocket ship. Take it to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the moon. Rocket ship, rocket ship. Take it to my A, you got your A. I need a booty, I need a brave, I need a rocket ship with a rocket go way out of space. Yes, it's me on top of the tree. I don't eat fruit without no seeds. I ain't never break no code. Shorty ain't never start no beef. I know the chef, I know.
We going to get there.
Take it to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the moon. Rocket ship, rocket ship. Take it to the moon. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the moon. Rocket ship, rocket ship. Take it to my A, you got your A. I need a booty, I need a brave, I need a rocket ship with a rocket go way out of space. Yes, it's me on top of the tree. I don't eat fruit without no seeds. I ain't never break no code. Shorty ain't never start no beef. I know the chef, I know.
We going to get there.
Take it to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the moon. Rocket ship, rocket ship. Take it to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the moon. Rocket ship, rocket ship. Take it to my A, you got your A. I need a booty, I need a brave, I need a rocket ship with a rocket go way out of space. Yes, it's me on top of the tree. I don't eat fruit without no seeds. I ain't never break no code. Shorty ain't never start no beef. I know the chef, I know.
We going to get there.
Take it to the moon. 5, 4, 3, Take it to the moon. Rocket ship. Rocket ship. Take it to the 2, 1. Take it to the moon. Rocket ship. Rocket ship.
Okay, Nini, your time to go. Get it, girl.
Go way out of space. Guess it's me on top of the tree. I don't eat fruit without no seeds. I ain't never break no code. Shorty ain't never start no beef. I know the chef. I know.
We going get there.
Take it to the moon. 5, 4, 1. Take it to the moon. Yeah.
Hey, crank
Take
it
it
up.
to the moon. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it to the moon. Rocket ship. Rocket ship. Take it to my A. You get your A. I need a Bentley. I need a Wraith. I need a rocket ship with a rocket. Go way out of space. This is me on top of the tree. I don't eat fruit without no seeds. I ain't never break no code. Shorty ain't never start no beef. I know the chef. I know.
We going get there.
So guys, I've come to the end of my gun range. That is the result right there. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye.